What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid to install free apps. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video. And make sure you drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And guys, it's December now, and we got to make it to 5,000 subscribers because I'm ready to give away this money. My hand has been itching for a month now. I'm ready to get to 5,000 subscribers so I can give away this free money, guys. Don't you guys want this free money? So please look out for that code word. Type that down in the description below. Share this video everywhere. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers. Now, guys, I'm going to show you a couple of websites that will pay you to install apps. And please stick around all the way to the very end because I'm going to show you a bonus site that's going to pay you even more money than these other 2 sites. So please watch the whole video all the way to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to the first site and show you how you can make this money downloading apps. So let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at the first website, and the name of this website is WhySense. So it says here, earn extra cash online. WhySense is a global online community with multiple earning options. Join now and start earning with paid online surveys, cash offers, app-pinned tasks, and more. Now, they got all those other ways you can make money online, but we're going to pay attention to downloading apps because that's what I'm talking about in this video. So right here where it says cash offers, get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up for websites and watching videos, and more. Now, as you can see, they partnered with a lot of big companies out there. So like Tap Research, Pollfish, Sample Cube, Opinion Surveys. So this is a reputable company, guys, because they have partnered with a lot of other big brands. And they also have referrals. You want to go ahead and refer this website after you sign up because look, you're going to make 30% of what your referrals make. So whatever they make 1,000, you're going to make 300. So it'll be very, very wise for you to promote this to your friends and people on social media so you can get paid doing practically nothing. Now, let's go to cash out. So once you redeem your rewards, you'll be able to get Amazon gift card, AMC Theaters, Best Buy. So it's a lot of ways on here that you can, so it's a lot of cards on here, gift cards you can get. And also, if you just want to get the money, you can just go and get PayPal, and you have to just get enough points that equal up to $10, and you'll be able to cash it out. It's not going to take that long to do that, because once you download the apps, it's it's real easy. It's real easy, guys. And you can also do all those other tasks. So that's all I'm gonna say about this website, because I got these others I want to go through, so I'm not going to stay long on each site. So to get started, go ahead and go to WhySense.com. All right, I'm at the second website, and the name of this website is Get Paid To. Now, I've talked about this website in the past, but I want to bring it up because it does allow you to download apps and make money from doing that. But the way they do it is you playing games. So let me go ahead and click right here where it says games. And as you can see here, it says get paid to play games. Online games and puzzles are a fun way to pass the time. It's even better when you're rewarded for your time to get paid to play. And of course, it's free to join. And here are the games down here that you're going to be playing. They got a large category of different games you can download and play, guys. And you're going to accumulate points, and you'll be able to redeem those points in and get cash. So you can get it through bank transfer. You can get Skrill, cryptocurrency, Amazon.com, and PayPal. So they got all different type of platforms that you can redeem your points in and get paid. So that's all I'm gonna say about this site. So go ahead and go to getpaid2.com to get started. Now I want to take you to a bonus that is very, very unique way to make money dealing with apps. So let me go ahead and go to that website right now. Okay, I'm at the next website, which is the last website I'm going to talk about. It's called The Plug. So it says here, The Plug easily monetize your following. So you're going to make money by monetizing your following. So any type of social media that you have, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, you'll be able to make some money from them, guys, because what you're going to be doing is promoting apps. So let's scroll down here and read. So it says here, pick a promo, choose an app to promote, post it on your socials. So choose from high performing campaigns, copy a link, and download new aid media daily. And that's how it's going to look inside the back office of this website, because they also have an app. And what you're going to be doing, like they said, promoting apps to your following. Then you're going to make money. So you're going to earn plug coins for your promotions. Turn coins into cash. So cash out anytime with PayPal. Receive fast payment and view your account history with ease. And that's how it's look inside there. So once you cash out the coins, you're going to get paid. You can get paid through PayPal. Then you'll be able to track your promotions in real time. So track installs to page views, get notified when new plugs become available. And they also have a referral program. So refer them today and you'll earn a commission of their earnings. So just like the other website, you're going to be earning commission for their earnings, from their earnings, anytime they promote the apps they're promoting and somebody download it and they get paid, you're going to get paid too. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website. I think you ought to check it out. It's very interesting, very easy to start. So go ahead and go to plugco.in. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about any of these sites. And please don't forget to type that code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And please share this. Share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Please go check out some of my other channels. As you can see right down here, I have Random Reg TV, Random Reg Vlogs, Hustle Grind and Grow TV, Random Health Tips. So go check out those other channels and subscribe. And road to 5,000. Let's get there, guys. Let's get there. I'm ready to give away this money. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace and stay prosperous.
Get your grind